In this video, I'll show you how to reset your T-Mobile home internet. So first of all, resetting your T-Mobile home internet gateway can fix no internet problems or slow speeds, connection problems, and maybe some app error issues. So of course, there's two types of resets, just restarting your router and a factory reset to the whole thing. If you have some problems and you want a factory reset, first of all, always try the normal restarts. Just go and unplug the gateway power cable and wait 30 seconds and plug it back in. Wait from 2 to 5 minutes for reconnecting and check if the issue is solved if you're trying to restart it or reset it for that problem. If that doesn't fix it or you just want to factory reset it, all you need to do, just go and look for a reset button behind your router. Whether you have this router or you have this one, you should find just a small hole where you'll find, of course, reset next to it. It might be like this one or a hole like this one, or sometimes it might be even a button. So it can be a small pinhole button or an actual button where you'll be able to click with your finger. So if it's a small pinhole button, you'll have to look for a small needle or something like that to pinch that hole, maybe some paper clip or maybe the SIM eject tool. So all of those can work. So what you'll have to do is basically put something in that pinhole or click on it with your hands if it's a button and make sure to hold that reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. The lights may blink or restart, and this should erase your Wi-Fi name, and of course it will change to the default, the password will change to default, and also any custom settings that you'll have, it will come back to the factory default. Of course, if you have this type, you'll find the reset, as I said, button at the top as well. So you'll find button for this kind. And for this one, the digital one, you'll have to look for factory reset option on the settings of the actual router. So once you're done with that, as I said, everything will be resetted. And then once you hold it, as I said, for that amount of seconds, the device should restart automatically. And it can take several minutes, like from 2 to 5 minutes, and you should be good to go. Then you'll be able to use the default Wi-Fi name and password, and you can find it in the sticker under the gateway or behind the router, and if you want to connect to it again and if you want to configure it and stuff like that. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.